Alright, this is the 34 Luhrs getting fired up from a cold start. Alright, go ahead, Doug. Port engine fires right up. Starboard engine getting hit, and that fired right up as well. Absolutely no smoke even to start. Everything runs beautifully. Generator came on, powered everything up same way earlier. Get inside real quick. Inside everything is fairly quiet for a diesel engine. Everything normal. Main engine hatch up. Everything appears to be running real good. That's it. A pretty short, simple video of everything starting from a cold start aboard this 34 Luhrs I have for sale. Hope y'all liked it. See you out on the water.